In this video, we are gonna talk about making a freaking $1 million from just $100, discussing all the possible ways of getting there along with the realistic scenarios. The video will be a breakdown of several parts, each part representing a new milestone. We will go all the way from making the first $1,000 to making the first $1 million. Some key points to remember would be: A. You need to celebrate every time you reach a new milestone. The celebration gets luxurious and lavish on every next achievement. This reward system gives you the boost to work for the new milestone and won't let you get lazy. B. Manifestation and positive affirmations will be the key in your entire journey. When the hard times come, these superpowers will make things easier for you. And C. Finally, this ain't some get-rich overnight secret, but a long journey of building an empire and wealth for a lifetime. If followed with determination and concentration, you could get here in next 5, 7, 10 or 15 years. It completely depends on how dedicated you are. This method could be started with zero money, but for the sake of this video, let's start with $100 in your wallet. What are the things you could do that will make you an extra $1,000? The phone you are holding has the answer. Search for some survey that pays you. Jump in for offers that pay for getting some apps installed. Download apps that reward you with cashbacks when using it for shopping. It would be not only about making some extra bucks, but also saving some bucks. Cut off all the extra cash you spend daily. For example, grab coffees from local shops instead of Starbucks. Faking richness won't make you rich. Cutting off those useless expenses would save you a lot. Asking for a nominal raise. A nominal raise of 50 cents would make you an extra $100 to $200 a year. Explore new ways of saving and making a little more money. With these small tactics, you would be able to make your first $1,000 pretty easily. Here's something you need to understand. As the zeros in your bank account will increase, so does your efforts and risk taking will. If you are someone who wants to stay in your comfort zone and does not like growth, close this video right away. Making $10,000 has to start with investing. You'll have to learn the basics about investing in the stock market. Things like equity shares, bonds, how they work and stuff like that. Implement strategies like 50-30-20% rule, where 50% of your income would be invested in stocks, 30% would be savings, and the rest 20% would make up your expenses. Mere investments might not help. You'll need to start some side hustle like helping people moving lawn, cleaning cars and house windows for them, taking pets for a walk, part-time babysitting, or any such low-effort job that can make you an extra $5 to $10 a day and won't cost you much of your time. Like 5-10 hours a week is a good deal. Adding to it, start learning a high income skill like drop shipping, managing Facebook ads, website designing, or anything that interests you. You can learn all of it for free online. Once you learn the basics, charge businesses for your services, or you can even do it for free in the beginning. Once you build a good portfolio in the market, you can charge double for your expertise and make that $10,000 even faster. This plan would ensure that you end up making much more than $10,000 in the upcoming couple of years. Another point I would like to add is make sure you invest in trusted stocks and go with less risk for now, as the main motto of investing now is to reach that $10,000 milestone and not gamble. So now things get a little serious as we are talking about big money. That $100,000 is going to seem impossible from where you are standing now. But trust me with this. Once you reach the $10,000 milestone, you would have already possessed the most important and influential habits that will help you achieve that next milestone. And you would already know by then that $100,000 is not a big deal. Now, how to reach that next milestone? As I already said, as you add zeros to your worth, the more you'll need to get out of your comfort zone. Important things first, you'll need to increase your income. I ain't talking about getting another hectic job. What I want you to do is put more focus on the high income side hustle that you started in the previous milestone and might have mastered by now. If you choose dropshipping or Amazon FBA, here's the point when you take things seriously. You'll need to scale that business. Dump more money on advertising, invest money into research and development, and focus on building a brand. Basically, think of it as a business now. If you're making double or more than that of your 9 to 5 job, now is the time when you quit that hectic job and dive all into your side hustle. The same goes with other side hustle like copywriting, web designing, SMMA agency, artwork, etc. Here's the time when you go all in. Next, you cannot think of getting into the 6-figure club without considering investments seriously. At this point, you will take time out of your schedule for picking up stocks of the companies. Let's say 15 to 20 hours a week. You will shortlist 3 to 4 stocks after all the research and analysis, and this habit would quadruple your net worth in coming years. With investments done, you'll have to dump more of your profits and savings into your side hustle. That is your main business now, and try scaling it further. As your personal brand will start gaining reputation, your bank accounts will be prospered with profits. And considering you plan this strategy sensibly, the upcoming few years are enough to make this blueprint turn into a reality. By now, you would find the majority of financial advisors out there to be a silly guy. And this would be an indicator that you are on the right path. When you look back and see all that experience you gained, all your hard work and efforts, everything would seem worth it. At this point, when you have surpassed the majority of population financially, things get pretty serious. Your decisions decide your future net worth. It's more of your mind work than physical tiring hard work. The next milestone you are aiming for is not very far, but just a matter of time. The strategy here would again be investments. Not so surprisingly, you'll have to focus more on investments as it will create the real legacy and wealth for you. A game-changing secret I can give you that I heard Shaquille O'Neal saying was, once he heard Jeff Bezos saying that he invests on the ideology of whether or not the company will change the lives of people. And when Shaq followed that piece of advice, he quadrupled his net worth. What I mean to say is, invest much more time in picking up stocks, like say 30 to 40 hours a week, and pick 3 to 4 stocks that you think are revolutionary. And if any one of them blows, you would get filthy rich in no time. At this point of time, you actually don't need to work hard. The brand you built will start paying off. You'll just need to ensure maximum efficiency is optimized and continue scaling. At this point of time, your experience and expertise pays off. You can start consulting other businesses that might need your expertise, coaching businesses across the globe, writing books, publishing courses, starting premium podcasts, and these are most likely gonna be super successful thanks to your years of dedication and efforts that built an incredible credibility for you. With your brand value, you can easily charge a high ticket for the services you provide, and then it's just a matter of time of you making your first $1 million. This was exactly how you can turn that $100 to $1 million. And to be honest, you don't even need that $100 firstly to start this journey. This entire journey might take less or more than a decade, but will be filled with lots of crazy experiences that would put you on a roller coaster of emotions. Whatever scenario life puts in front, make sure to believe in yourself and the Almighty. He helps those who help themselves. Practice positive affirmations, and the power of manifestation will turn your dream into reality when fueled with dedication and consistency. Also remember to tip this channel a few grands when you make that $1 million. For now, subscribing to our channel and liking the video will do. I'll meet you in some other video. Till then, keep hustling.